make a couple of fun backyard do-it-yourself games. The first one we're going to do is the backyard bowling. I used some water bottles, and since I'm using a soccer ball, it's pretty heavy. I left them about half full because they need a little weight so they won't fall over too easy. You have to work at it, and that's it. Because there's water in the bottles, make sure that you do this one outside. Alright, next I have backyard golf. So I'm using this bottle because it's got kind of a big end and it'll hit the ball really well. Here's something really important. This is a really hard plastic bottle, and to cut the hole out of it I had to use a really sharp knife. So this one you'll need an adult to help you with. If you have a wrapping paper roll, you can use that. If not, you can use today's paper. The more you use and the tighter you roll it, the longer it's going to last, the stronger it'll be. Just roll up a couple sheets. Okay. A couple pieces of tape. Okay, this nice painter's tape. Duct tape would work really well too. Make it even stronger probably. Okay. Alright, and then we're going to jam it right in that hole that we cut out tight. More pieces of tape. One from each side. There you go. There's your golf club. Now let's test it out. I have a tennis ball and I'm using a cup. Let's see how good my putting is here. Okay, and the last thing we're going to make is a water bomb. Like this. Now, I use these sponges that you could get right at the dollar store. And for each one, to make them about this size, you use 2 sponges. Okay. You're going to take and cut it in half. Doesn't have to be exactly, just about. And then take each half and cut that one in half again. Alright, and then you just need rubber band. I had some of these little ones. I'm using these. You can use any kind you have around the house. Right. And I'm doing mixed colors, but if you wanted to have maybe a battle and have all the colors, each team can have their own colors, so those are the only ones that they can use. It's really fun. These are so fun because you could use them over and over again, and they're a lot easier to clean up than balloons in your backyard. They don't hurt. Make sure that when you're done with them, you let them dry out really well before you put them away. Okay, wrap that rubber band right around the middle of all 8 pieces. And kind of spread them out to a star like this. Got it. Okay, and then you dunk it in your bucket of water. Okay, and give it a toss. That's pretty fun. I hope you guys give it a try. See you soon.